There's been a couple of like spin-off events around the world. There used to be one in Italy, and I think there was one in New Zealand as well. But their hill is nothing like the hill that we run down. It's not the same sort of race. Like it's not dangerous like ours. Theirs was on like a nice smooth hill. I actually got pine cheese. So what I do is I cut it up into like small triangles, like a chopped wood, and I just give it around the family. They like it in sandwiches and toast. Know what you get yourself into, because although it is a good fun event, it's really dangerous as well. Every year there's broken bones, and if you're lucky you might just get away with cuts and bruises. But if you're going to race to win, you just need to go for it. Just put 100% into it.